Hello everyone. Let's learn the pronunciation, meaning, and usage of another word, benign. If you are a medical professional, you might be just familiar with one meaning of this word, but there are others too. Let's find out. First, start with the pronunciation. The pronunciation is benign. We stress the second syllable, so we stress this sound, nine, benign. Say it with me, benign. Meaning of benign is gentle, kind, and not harmful. Usually people use it in medical terms. For example, if someone has a cyst and it's not malignant, they will say it's benign, means that the person doesn't have cancer. Now here are the example sentences in medical use. The doctor said the tumor was benign, so it wasn't dangerous. Luckily, the condition turned out to be benign and easy to treat. Benign is an adjective, and its adverb form is benignly, which means in a gentle way. Here are other sentences in different contexts. What seemed like a serious problem turned out to be benign. It means that it wasn't that harmful. The policy may look strict, but its effects are mostly benign. The weather remained benign, perfect for a picnic. It means that the weather conditions were not harsh. The changes had a relatively benign impact on the economy. It means that the impact was not very significant or noticeable. The chemical was found to be benign under normal conditions. It means that it didn't have any harmful or useful effect. Was this lesson helpful? Which word would you like to learn the pronunciation, meaning, or usage of? Let me know in the comments. Take care and bye until next lesson.